In a world where clutter is the default, luxury is found in simplicity. Today, we'll show you how to make any small space feel expensive, with just a few intentional upgrades. Let's start with lighting. Avoid harsh overhead lights. Instead, layer soft, warm lighting at different heights, table lamps, sconces, or LED strips under shelves. This adds depth and instantly creates a high-end ambiance. Next, stick to a neutral color palette with contrast. Think warm whites, soft taupes, and charcoal accents. A black framed mirror on a beige wall, a dark cushion on a light chair. Contrast creates sophistication without overwhelming small rooms. Now, pick one focal area. Don't over-decorate. Instead, elevate one zone: a gallery wall, an oversized vase, or a statement chair. One strong element makes a space feel curated and intentional. Use texture to your advantage. Mix matte and glossy finishes, velvet cushions, linen curtains, brass fixtures. High-end interiors often rely on texture, not color, to create interest. Finally, hide your clutter like a designer. Uniform storage bins, floating shelves, and furniture with built-in drawers keep your space functional but calm. Match storage colors to your walls so everything blends in. The secret to making a small space look expensive isn't more stuff. It's better choices. Less but better. Each of these 5 changes is simple, subtle, and powerful. And when combined, they transform your space into something quiet, calming, and beautifully refined. This is what we call Minimaluxe. If you found value in this video, subscribe to Minimaluxe Living for weekly ideas on designing small, living smart, and styling with intention. You don't need more space, just more clarity.